Why is having a virtual tax business something you just can't ignore, and this is something you must get involved with for 2024 and beyond. My name is Hakeem Herring, and I have over 10 years of experience in the tax business, and I'm gonna dive in and give you some key tips on why and how to start your very own virtual tax business. Now, the key for 2024 for me is all about do more in 2024. And the virtual tax business is, in essence, is one of the easiest businesses to start. And for the fact that it's virtual, it's one of the easiest businesses to maintain without all of the overhead and expenses of running your office and having to have the brick and mortar. You can actually service your clients virtually from anywhere. Utilizing technology with the virtual footprint of being able to work remotely, you could actually hire virtual tax preparers, right? Now, these are the same tax preparers that are servicing H&R Block, TurboTax. These are the same tax preparer, virtual service agents who service the clients on that end. You can utilize those same clients. So let me tell you how. To build a successful tax business, you want to start with building your brand. From your name to your logo, that client should be able to identify that this is a tax service. Next, you want to have your website. You want to have an online presence where individuals can actually reach you and get more information about your service. Next, you want to have a toll-free number. The reason why I say a toll-free number, because it doesn't limit you to any one set territory, city, or state. With a toll-free number, this could be marketed all over the country, and you can have clients that are coming in from all 50 states. Next, you want to utilize the cloud-based tax software system. Utilizing cloud-based tax software, this means you can access your software from anywhere, and you can actually service your client from anywhere. This is extremely important and key to a successful virtual tax business. Once you have your software in place, you want to put your team in place. Whether you're doing the taxes yourself or you hire a virtual team to actually prepare those taxes for your clients, it's totally up to you, but the virtual tax team is extremely important. You can utilize services such as Upwork, where you can specifically hone in on experienced virtual tax preparers who have years of experience processing U.S. clients' tax returns. It's extremely important that you specify on experienced tax preparers. But this actually is an inside secret that allows you to cut to the chase and really put a team of strong people together to service your clients. While you're there, you want to look for a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant can help you by being the team leader, managing your team, managing the client workflow, and being that main key point person to you as you're servicing the clients as the tax season rolls on and things get pretty busy. You can set up your virtual tax business where you're funneling in clients, you're funneling in leads that are serviced by your virtual team. While those clients are being serviced by your virtual team, your job is to market the business and get more customers. And how do you market your business? There's several ways to market your business right now. For the fact we have all the technology, everyone is walking around basically with their cell phone and direct access to advertising to clients right there in their hand. So you want to utilize social media marketing, social media advertising, pay-per-click. You want to utilize YouTube. You want to actually do everything possible to reach your clients. But let me take it back to the old school a little bit. These tried and true ways that are old, but they still work. You can utilize things such as flyers, posters, road signs. These are all branding, marketing materials to get your name out there and put you in front of clients during that tax season so that they'll know to call you to get an estimate for their tax return. What does it take to get to the bag? I know everyone is all about the money, right? And I always speak of earning $30,000 in the next 90 days or earning $30,000 this tax season. The average tax preparation fee runs about $300, right? At $300 per client, it only takes you 100 clients to make 30 grand. Now you must ask yourself, how would $30,000 $30,000 change your life next year, right? How would $30,000 change your life in the first 90 days of every year? And the power of a virtual tax business is you can do this year after year after year. And you can grow your business where you're making a consistent cash flow. Now, for a newcomer who can say, hey, I don't have 100 people to make $30,000. But what if you had 50? What if you had 50 people that utilize your tax service and you clear $15,000? How would $15,000 change your life in about 90 days during the tax season? We have to look at these things as opportunities for additional sources of income. And that's how you're going to win. That's how you're going to do more in 2024. My name is Hakeem Herring. Thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.